Please.
Okay, how was your guys' bell runner?
It was good. It was kind of a little bit hard on the last one.
What'd you guys work on? Oh, also, just a disclaimer, I have to videotape this, so there is going to be my laptop going, but don't worry about it. They all look beautiful, so. Okay. So, what'd you work on in your bell ringer?
Just the steps, like the mailman, and then.
Just solving inequalities of
Yeah,
steps?
it's the same thing.
Okay. So that's a good route. Well, we have a little worksheet here we're going to do for the inequalities, but we're just going to review what the steps are so that you guys are kind of like fresh on them and that you know what to look for when you're solving them on your paper. So does anyone know what the first step was? Mailman.
Mailman.
Mailman? Yeah. And can everyone see this color okay? Okay. Sometimes, yes. Okay. And mailman is also known as what? Distribute. Okay. So what's your second step? Do you guys remember? Combine like terms. There you go. Then the third step.
Solve.
Move the x to the same side.
Combine like to partner like.
Alright, what's the next step? Remember?
Do the opposite. Right.
Do the opposite with
Addition. Subtraction.
yeah. Do the addition or subtraction, right?
Bro, this is so
Add 4 if I can spell. Okay, then what was once you add and subtract, what do you left with? Multiply and divide? Okay, and the sixth step is kind of a sometimes you have to do it and sometimes you don't. You guys kind of know what it was? Yeah, flip the sign if you divide by a negative, or move the x to the left side. You guys kind of remember that? Move left to the x side. Okay, so these are going to be up here while we kind of go over this worksheet, and these are going to be kind of helpful review problems for you guys because you guys are going to have a assessment coming up, and there's a couple word problems in here that are really going to help you think about how do you apply inequalities outside of the classroom, right? Like if you're trying to think about something when you're buying something, if you have enough money, or if you need to work some hours to try and make enough money for something you want to buy, you can use inequalities to solve those problems. So in your pairs, you're going to kind of work on one, and there's only going to be one between you, so you can take turns writing. And then at the end, we're going to go over them. So I want you guys to scoot your guys' desks together, and then work on them. That's okay. Yeah. You can have 1, 2, 3. That's not one. Here's one for you guys. Here's one, and then Mr. Hayes, you guys all three want to take off the desk. I do have a few extra copies. Does anybody want another one so 2 people can look at it? Okay. You guys can get to work. I'll be around. If you have any questions, just raise your hand.
We put our names on it, right?
Yeah, you can put your names on there.
YT Cup Gaming.
You guys want to sit down? Please. Stand before. Oh, you didn't get one? Okay. You guys can work together. If you have any questions or
Sunday, but I feel like normal, and then Sunday, like, touch base.
like I would like imagine like we did like chicken like that. I'm in my
Can I trust you guys been working well over here?
It's on one side.
Oh yeah. Solve each inequality and then construct a graph for each inequality.
If you want to just solve them first, I'll solve them, and then you're back to graph them, that's fine. But you guys are going to have to graph them later on. I know, mental math is hard.
No, I have this too.
Did you just do that?
There's two, right? I think I got it right. Yeah, more than SoundCloud. Oh, you know that one. Oh, what the?
Yes. I thought this was two.
You're supposed to go do what you did on the MacBook. You know? I'm doing cool like it's good, it's good. Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, you got it. You just have one step left, right? You just want to exercise yourself? Good job.
Negative 5?
Oh.
Yeah, that's okay. You can go.
Yeah, negative 5.
My bad.
Yeah, just try to Alright, so let's think about this kind of for you guys, right? You want to have more than $20 in your bank account, right? So how would you write that? Like, how would you write you want to have more than 20? It could also be more than, it could also be known as like greater than, right? Yeah.
Think you're so mad. Nah, I didn't my
Yeah, it'll end up being look like something like this.
Wait, what
right?
for work? I'll trust you.
Yeah, so I would put the 20 on one side, right? So I just write 20. And then what symbol would you use to be more than or like greater than? And you want X to be greater than 20, right? You want your end total. Like this side is kind of going to represent what your goal is, and then this side is going to be what your current, what your balance in your bank account is.
Wait.
Yeah, there you go.
Negative one, negative.
Because you want to have more than 20. So this looks good. So you kind of get that? To be more than 20, you want to get this side to be bigger than 20. So then, he already has $3 in his account. So how would you write that? Because remember, this is the goal, and this is his current account. So then how would you write that there's $3 in it already? Yeah. That's right. There's $3 in his account, and then he earns $8 for every hour he works, right? And X is going to represent each hour he works. So now when you solve this, you'll be finding how many hours he needs to work to get at least $20 in his account. There you go.
Oh, yeah. Jesus.
Yeah.
Oh, my baby.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. And then I guess it kind of shows you can work like half an hour or something like that. I think it's going to be 2. You do 7 divided by 8.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it. Yeah. Way to go, solve that. Yeah. Yeah, this is all good. I would mark what's the inequality, right? Because you want X to be greater than 20, right? And you want this side to be.
Dang.
But yeah, then the answer is going to be kind of messy. But you guys got it.
Dang, I don't know how to say it.
Isn't it that
Stay focused.
We're-
You guys want? Let's look at one of your work songs. Alright. Okay. So right. So you're trying to buy, say something. What's something that costs $20 that you want?
a PSN card.
A what card?
A PSN.
What's that?
Like, it's a gift card.
Okay, so you want a PlayStation card, right? And it costs $20. So you gotta try and figure out how many hours you gotta work to make this money, okay?
Or new shoes.
Or I guess. So if you have $20, 20 is your goal, right? So I would just write 20 down. That's right. There you go. Okay, so you have, like, your goal is to get $20. What symbol should you use to get more than 20?
Isn't that one? I'm like, it's 20.
Yeah. So you want more than 20. Well, we'll fill it in this side. So now you have $3 in your account, right? So boom, you already have $3. So how would you write that?
Yeah, but and 3. Oh, we're making a problem right there. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh.
Must be a butter.
And then you work for $8 an hour. So then how would you do that?
Blood.
Yeah, you guys got this.
And then like,
Yeah. You can use H for hour or X, anything, any kind of variable works. Alright, and then once you solve this, then you'll know how many hours that you need to work to get at least $20. Well, what's the point of doing this if you don't know how many hours you gotta work? You know what I mean? So now try and solve it and see how many hours you work. How's it coming for you guys? Snap. Hey, you guys are doing really well. You guys we're gonna go for work on this for one more minute and then we'll go over it together as a group.
Hey, why do you get a recording?
Oh, do I gotta record for my class?
Someone throws a fight.
I'm in here for a class, but yeah, I'm in college. I go to Morningside.
After the game, please.
Yeah, try and finish up this last one. You can try and solve this one.
Honestly, when I did home, you did negative 3. 2039, divided by 23.
No.
You got a test
I got 17 divided by 8.
And we have two families that have
You did
Oh,
well then
Where's your work? I like your work too. Do you guys want to just graph these ones? Especially try and graph. Yeah.
So, like, what's the W?
yeah.
What are you talking about? 5? Oh, it's all. There, hairline with you.
I need you.
So,
Okay,
I
so
love my life.
what's your, you can't mailman, right? You can't just, what's your next step? Yeah, I'd combine like, you have an X on this side and an X on this
I
side.
think I went from the love of my life.
So how would you get them together?
I ain't a digger, so shit. But,
Oh,
You're not easy.
I like what you did here.
I'm better-
I
I'm better at
personally would do
one.
4X over like that.
cheap kill so much.
That's just
He
kind of
cheap
odd.
killed one game.
Because then the X is on the left side.
He like, you don't let cheap kill lose. No. He even shot that one, and that was a partner.
So then what's a negative 5X minus 4X?
He killed one.
Does he even know Mike?
No. I'll
If you're gonna have, if you have a negative 5 right here, I owe you $5, and then I owe her $4. How much do I owe?
give her.
9, right? I have negative 9. I'm in debt.
Oh, you went all those turn rails, but you
Yeah, you can always check that out. Like negative 5 minus 4.
Josh one.
You guys want one?
It's right?
Hey, at least try that.
Didn't you buy my iPhone?
Alright. I know you guys might not be done, but we're gonna kind of go over them so that in case there's some questions you guys still have, you guys can kind of figure out where you went wrong or if you got it. So does anyone want to write what they got for the first one on the board? Anybody want to?
I
I
walked
You come up? Okay. What's your name?
Mace.
Nate. Nate's gonna write it.
They don't. Real underscore date 69. What you do?
I really like the cold road. Oh, that's all it too?
Yeah.
Just put that on God.
Oh, I saw it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Everyone has that on their paper.
So.
I'm gone. You just get back.
And I just get. So you put 7 right there. I'm just kidding.
Wait, read the verbal way.
There you go.
Alright.
It's just that
The
simple.
box ready.
Oh. And then, yeah.
Ooh, what's your graph it? Writing. Do you want to go up and graph it and see what it looks like?
You have to
No,
grab
okay.
that name.
do too.
Alright, hey. So what would Okay, how do you guys feel about this answer? Thumbs up if you think it's good, thumbs down if you think it's not so good.
I don't think it's fire.
Thumbs down.
Nicole,
Alright,
what
you
you
have,
got?
you got this thumbs down?
Hey, let Nicole solve it.
Alright, so we got some thumbs up. I think this is good, this is good. Alright, you saw this well. How would you guys graph this one?
Alright, you're gonna put the 2, and then
Right,
it's
2
in the
would
open
be-
circle.
Then you can have like 3 and 1.
Open circle.
So would it be open or closed?
Open.
Open,
And it's gonna be going left.
and it's gonna be going left, because x needs to be less than 2, right?
Yeah.
Alright, that's good. Does anyone want to come up and try number 2? That's what I do.
I want-
Yeah.
Got this, man.
Dang.
Bro, I think he was just kidding, but like.
Oh.
It's gonna be
Dang.
like
Every
X,
night when
not
you
negative 2.
There's a marker. Yeah, I think she's gonna take the paper. She's gonna try.
You know Juliana?
Bro.
Huh? You know Juliana?
You guys can keep working on your papers if you haven't quite got them done yet while she writes it.
She likes it.
Has she been in contact with the thing that was social media?
Yeah, she had it. Okay, well, we'll show you.
40 gift cards.
Alright, if you guys can't see, it says 2.125. It's greater than or equal to x. So guys, thumbs up or thumbs down on how you feel about this problem.
I knew I swear.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up, anyone thumbs down? Alright, so I like this. Did you guys see how she set it up? Right, because your goal is to have $20 in the bank account, right? And then you currently have 3. And then you make $8 an hour. So you can set up and she solved it. How would you guys graph this one? Yeah.
Well, I don't have like an answer, but I'm just gonna say it's just making it more hard. You're just doing it more hard because if he gets $3 and he gets paid $8 an hour, he's trying to get more than $20 bank account by the end of the month. All he has to do is work 3 more hours. Then you have more than $20.
Yeah, but how'd you solve that? Like,
I
how'd you
just
come
thought
up
of
with
that
that?
because
You
I
thought about it? Yeah. It works, right?
It's Newton's first law.
And realistically, if he's only gonna work if he works 2.125 hours, right? That's gonna get him right at 20. But then you have to consider tax, right? And then those $8 is gonna get taxed, so he's not gonna quite be there. So maybe working 3 hours would make him for sure get over to having at least $20 in his account, right?
he wants to get over.
Yeah, over 20. But also, the way you set this up could work for any amount. Say you had, like, your goal is to buy a new house, so you got to get $300,000 in your bank account, and you currently have $50,000 in, and then you make $20 an hour. Well, then you're not going to be able to do that in your head, right? But you can set it up the same way. And then when you solve, you can figure out how many hours you need to work, right? And it's going to be a lot. Like, you can't make that in a week. You got to be, I mean, that could be years you're saving up to buy a house. But then you can at least plan for that while you're kind of thinking about how many hours you need to work for your job. Okay, and then, yeah, did anyone know how to graph this one? How did you do it?
And that's not possible.
How to graph this one? Does anyone kind of know?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're going to be at 2.125, right? And you can do more. So you can go up to 3. Here's the 1. Is it going to be an open or closed circle? It's open. It kind of depends on how you set up your problem, right? She set it up where you can have it equal to 20, but if you you want it just more than, it'll be open. But she has equal to or greater than, so it should be closed. And then will it be to the left or to the right? To the right.
You want to trendy, man.
Alright. Does this kind of make sense, you guys?
Yeah.
Understand this one? Alright, we're just gonna do number 3 and then we're gonna head back to the other classroom. So does anyone want to come up and do number 3?
Raise at the most.
Wanna try number 3? Yeah, you got it. Okay. Does anybody else want to try number 3?
Leprechaun face that.
You sure? You guys know any
You're probably like really
I can do it. Yeah.
see that. Man, you look like you're talking.
Hey, it's okay. She's not. She doesn't even know your name. I have to write. Yeah. Or yeah. If you want to. Yeah, we can write it all
You
down.
remind me of
We'll do the graph together.
Two-Face face. I'll tell you, Two-Face. Yeah, Two-Face.
Alright. Yeah. Try and just let her write this up a second. We'll go over it.
You ready?
It's okay. You can.
Right at the bottom view. Oh, what's that? What is that? One minute? Like, one minute?
What she do? Don't say that.
Did you just say something?
I don't want to do it no more.
Does anybody else want to go up and?
I'll go.
Alright. Hey, you got it.
Okay.
Focus on the problem, please.
You spend one day away from school. Tina smells better.
Sorry, yeah. It's like boo.
I don't even know what I was doing.
Why is that head bigger than everything else?
Hey, it's okay.
It's so small.
Alright, so he has x is less than 2. Thumbs up or thumbs down if you agree with this one. Thumbs down. There's some thumbs down. Alright. Right, this is really small. Can you guys all see this or no?
Barely.
Okay, I'm gonna rewrite it up here a second.
Crystal, what are you looking at me? I'm just trying to answer me.
Alright, hey, we're gonna focus on this last one, okay?
Now you're right.
So his first step, right, he combined like terms. So this is okay, right?
Yeah.
Now you're right.
That's fine.
Alright, so then
We good, legally.
this is good, yeah. So then what our next step is to add and subtract, right?
Yeah.
So he's gonna subtract this 1 over. So you get -9 less than 18. Now, he's dividing by a negative, right? Yeah. So what did he forget to do here?
Oh,
Flip the sign. And then, not only are we flipping the sign, but 9 is negative, right? So it should be -2. There you go, you got it. Alright, and then does anyone know how to graph this one? We did.
Here, we're talking about flip the sign. You're the one who wrote the problem. That's what I was gonna do. You don't want to.
Right? So open or close? Open? And which way is your arrow facing? To the right? Because you want x to be greater than, right? Alright. Nice job, you guys.
Are you done?
Yeah, done now.
You don't have to be.
We're good.
Alright, so I'll give them this. Are you sure you're?
Yeah. No, we are actually done.
Okay.
Yeah, one more.
You could do one more in a minute. It's up to you guys. You can be done. Let me know. Whatever works. I'm in no rush. It's up to you.
I think we're done.
Do you guys want to do one more? Or are you good?
Nate. Bring your stuff.
You want to do 4? Yeah, let's do 4. Okay. Does anyone want to come up and try this one? Write on the board what they had. Yeah, you guys can try it.
Yes, Victoria.
Awesome, thank you. Alright, so she got X is greater than 6. So thumbs up, thumbs down. How you feeling this one? Thumbs up. Some people didn't quite get to it. Thumbs up. By the way. Alright, I think I agree. This is really good. When she set this up, it's asking. So Sierra has $60 to spend on clothes, right? So this is her total amount that she has is 60. And then she says that she's going to be getting a pair of shorts for $7, a pair of gloves for $5, and the rest she's going to spend on t-shirts. And each t-shirt costs $8. So then from here she just did her good steps and then got X is greater than 6. Does anyone know how to solve it? Oh, the equal sign? Yeah. Because she can get 6 shirts, right? Okay, so then how would you graph this? Right, would this be 6? How would you graph this inequality? Open or close circle? Close circle? Alright, to the left. To the right. Wait, which way is it? There you go. Yeah. Alright. Nice job, you guys. Does that one kind of make sense? And how you guys feel a little more comfortable with inequalities?
Yeah.
Good. Alright, you guys can pack your stuff and head back to the classroom.
I want that.
I'll take the papers. Nice job. No, we do. Thank you. Nice job.
Trevor, has it worked?